Well, hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today I have, as you can see, a very big Dollar Tree haul for you. And let's go ahead and get started. I've got lots of Christmas supplies to work with and some decor pieces, and there's a few odds and ends that I'm going to throw in there on the end. Now, the first thing I found was these candy cane wreath rims, and I like that these are a lot shorter. And this was probably one of my favorite finds, and I did get several of these because I'm going to be adding them to our giveaway. And everyone, keep in mind that I'm getting closer and closer to the 3,000 subscribers, and what I decided to do for this giveaway is I am going to take and make this whole basket about the craft supplies. Now, I was sick for a couple of weeks, so I missed some of the fall things, but I still have those wire wreath rim pumpkin frames. Those are going to be in there, several wood pieces. I'm just going to go through my whole stash and pick out a really neat basket that I can put together. And after I reach the 3,000 subscribers, I'll be showing you everything that's going to be included in that basket. But don't you just love this little snowman? There's so many different ideas that we can do with this one. And like I said, I'm just going to be randomly showing you things. I was going to organize it, but there's just too much here today. And of course, I love this little galvanized tin for the bottom of the tree. Oh my gosh, this tree collar is just too cute. Now, this isn't Christmas, but I did want to get one of these because I think that it would be real easy to turn this into like little holly berries and a stem. So I thought that would really be a neat one to fix up for Christmas. And these right here were another one. I am going to keep one of these out to include in that basket. But these are new to me, the Crafter Square wood circles. So I got a few of those. And another one of our little home signs. And I just grabbed some of these little wood clothespins because there's always so many fun things that we can do with these. Now, like I said, I'm going random, and I haven't done a whole lot with these little gnomes, but I am going to do a few things this year with these, and I thought this was a really neat one. And here we have our little truck and the little camper, and I just see all kinds of ideas. You could turn these either way, but these are so cute. They are really getting some really neat things in at Dollar Tree. Now, I love these little wood forms, and these were actually just in the Christmas decor. And I got 3 of the bells. I thought that would be a fun one. And everyone, I think these are my favorite. I absolutely love the sled. Let me see, I have one more over here. I wanted to show all 3 of these together. Look at these. Now, they did have a Santa Claus also, but I really like the reindeer and the snowman. So, and I may grab a few of these to add to our giveaway basket. I thought this was a really neat one with the little snowman and the trees. Not crazy about the glitter, but you can always take that one out. But wouldn't these be pretty even painted white or stained? There's so many different things you can do with that. And I don't know about you, but here's my idea. I think I'm going to be doing something with the little globes and some of these little wooden Christmas trees. And then we have the angels and the snowman and the mushrooms. And of course, I grabbed some of this messy snow that we all love. And I did grab some of the bottle brush trees. Another one of our snowmen. Now I just picked out a few of the ornaments that I really liked, and because I'm not sure, I think I'm still going to do kind of that woodlands theme for my Christmas decor, but I don't know, I might mix it up and do something different in each room. But I love the little door. That could be painted really easy, and you could change out that little knob to a wood one. And then I love the little skis. And this sign is just cute, and I'll probably sand that off like I do and just get the glitter off there and then re-highlight that a little bit. And I thought the simple little snowflake was cute. And I kind of got this tree just because I liked the cutout on it, and I thought this would be really neat just to actually use this as a pattern and maybe sketch it onto a canvas, and you could do a cute little painting, or you could even do it on a pillow. Now I really love the garland that they have this year. So I picked up just a few different styles to show you, but I love the silver, the gold, and just the natural tone. I would have got more of this one, but this was the only one I could find in the bunch. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the greenery that I decided to pick up. I always try to get these little frosted branches, even though they make a horrible mess, and the little frosted fern. And I did pick up a few red berries, even though I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot of red. I love the fact that this is kind of a muted tone. And of course I always get the off-white. And I have an idea to do with a wreath because I just painted my front door black. And I thought this would be a pretty design with the white poinsettias. And of course I did grab 3 of these little gnome guys because they're going to get gone so quick. And I always like to get some of the darker yarn because I think you can always do something with the black, especially if you're doing like that black and white Christmas. And I always tend to put that style somewhere because I just like that look of the black and white Christmas with the buffalo check. So I grabbed a couple of these. And everyone, I went crazy on these little wood pieces. So I definitely will be throwing a few of these in for you on the giveaway basket. And these are the little acorns trees, and keep in mind, not all of it is Christmas, but this would be so fun to just have these for next year. Now I got several of these, and I won't be using them like they are, but they're just sturdy enough that you can do that where you kind of like glue your little decor decoration right to the top of there and paint that. So I always like to have several of these on hand. And I did grab 3 of these little tins. I just thought these would be neat if you could put a napkin on there and do the Mod Podge with the napkin or fabric. There's just so many cute little things you can do with these. And I even thought it'd be fun to do like a little tier tray out of these. Okay, everyone, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what I'm going to do with this. I love these. These are just these little mufflers for your wrap around your neck or your head. And I thought, what a neat idea that you could wrap the tree. I know a lot of times we all use the towels or the mop rags, but I thought these are going to work really neat. So definitely want to look for these. I thought that was neat texture that it had on them, and a really neat way to make these white Christmas trees. But I do have some ideas to kind of make these a little bit taller, so you'll definitely want to see that. And I just grabbed 3 of these. I thought that these, I guess, what is this stuff? It's just like that wood blend, twisted, what do you call them? I have no idea. I don't know what to call these. Tell me what you call these, everyone. But anyway, I got 3 of them because I thought those would be like a neat design to make wreaths or just even add them together and do a snowman. And then I grabbed a couple of the oval signs. Like I said, I got a few more. I think I got 3 of these snow globes all together, but what a great find. Dollar Tree. I'm sure everyone's posting their videos now of the Dollar Tree haul, but I love to see, you know, all the different things that each Dollar Tree has, because it seems like they're all a little bit different. And I thought these were really neat. I have an idea for these to kind of make them look more farmhouse or kind of a woodland thing. So we'll see how this one turns out. And I thought this was just some really pretty cotton yarn. And I thought, if nothing else, if I do that greenery type look, you could use this all through the year just to tie little things on. I love that green and white. I got one more little decoration piece right here, and that's this little mason jar. And they only had one of these out when I picked this one up. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you, a few things that I got that really wasn't Christmas related, but I just thought they were really neat pieces to get. Oh gosh, sorry. Well, they only had like 5 of these, and I grabbed 3 because I thought, if nothing else, we could use them for ornaments. But what a neat little Valentine's Day. So definitely went ahead and grabbed those. And then I got some of these little kind of odd shaped little wood blocks. And these were, oh, I love to have these, and I haven't been able to find these in a while. everyone, the rest of the items that I got are kind of just little things that I like to have on hand. I'm actually going to use the end of this one to spread out my glue because I still haven't found one of those little spatulas yet. But just always look down that section and find the little things that, you know, you can attach on the back to hang with. And I always love these, and I always like to get the clear. And then I thought these might be a neat little idea to make a cute little sign to put on your tier tray. And these magnetic clips work great if you want to hang something to your door. So, or really you can use these the fridge or anywhere. And then I always like to get these shipping labels just because you can use them to make little signs for your small little decor pieces. Okay. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's Dollar Tree haul. You can see I've got everything piled back up, and I'm gonna get this in my craft room and get it organized. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up because that really does help YouTube notice my channel a bit more. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you so much for your support. And don't forget to share with your friends and watch some other videos of mine. I'll have a link in the description below where you can hop on over to my Ko-fi, where you can buy me a coffee if you'd like to help support my channel that way. I actually got that set up today. And just don't forget to share and help me get to that 3,000 subscribers, because I am so excited to be able to share some of these items that I found with you in the giveaway basket. Well, everyone, I guess that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great rest of the week.